Imagine if a Friday drive didn't end at a hotel but at your home. A second home where the air isn't just breathable, it's healing. With an AQI consistently under 50, this is your family's private detox zone. But unlike a farmhouse, you never have to worry about maintenance. Managed by Best Western, your villa comes with 5-star service and the region's biggest luxury amenities. Own a piece of nature in the region's first radar-approved project. Hurry, your perfect weekend getaway is waiting.